Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove rust from your garden tools. We need salt, white distilled vinegar, some dishwashing soap, WD-40, and some containers, and some brush, steel brush. Okay, first we're going to need to remove some of the dirt and grease from the tools using the dishwashing liquid. Just be careful that you don't cut yourself. If you only have 2 or 3 tools that you want to remove the rust from, you could use a cup like this, and you'll put 1 tablespoon of the salt and fill up to the metal parts with the vinegar. But since I have a lot of tools, I'm going to use this container. Okay, so we put about 1 tablespoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt, the sodium of the salt will help remove the rust a little better. It's not necessary, but it's better if you use it. And then we'll put the vinegar, and we'll cover. We put the vinegar up to the metal parts so that it will cover all the metal parts. And we're going to leave this for about 3 days, and then we'll remove the excess with the steel brush. I actually left the tools inside the vinegar and salt for 1 week because some of the tools were very rusted. Look at the rust, all the rust that came out. Let's clean up and see how much rust. Almost as new. And then we will spray some WD-40 to protect it from future rust. But don't use it yet on your plants. Wait until it dries completely. Okay. Pretty good. So as you can see, they are looking pretty good. These pliers were so rusted that didn't even open. Look how easy it opens and closes now. This was This screwdriver was very rusted also, and this one. All the other tools are looking pretty good. All the metal parts remove the rust. There's some rust stains on the plastic, but that's fine. It came out pretty good.